Matrix reloading. Warning. Phases coming through. Headaches may occur.
Life! We're in the breath!
Odale, I say, and amigo, I go too, cause these things and then you're firing it up again, you're firing it up again, till you win up, and you fire it up to be knocked down, don't get you turn it around again. Go on.
On a serious note, here is my noble.
Gee, you know it ain't even nothing about drugs.
It's because you're a fucking disgrace! That has an Asian fetish, you fucking pervert in your West!
Worthy of life, I have to kill you. Because it's about confrontation and who's more worthy to be exalted. And if you've got what's mine, you better be aware that I will lie, cheat, kill, and damage until my dying day. Until I am exalted over you.
Nah, I don't think anybody would talk like that out in public. Now, let's say, like I said, like I was attracted to black women, white women, Asian women. I went through these little stages to black men currently today, and I just didn't know how to. I don't know how to confront this openly in front of. Oh, he likes black asses, black athletic asses, because it's a rarity, or oh, he likes anal. To me being the prize, like my shit don't stink. Like, oh, you like doing oral? Well, I've never done oral. I just do.
Phases coming through. Scenes being erased. Going back to your present through the Matrix. Okay, a little scene. I'm gonna let the police work for me on this one a little bit. You gotta let the police work with you once in a while. You know, it's not worth it. The hassle. All right. 1971. Old time hole. Inmate serves over a year in the old time hole where few remain sane. Here's a scene of one of those times. Convict LC, please step forward. Convict LC, please step forward. Turn around. You have anything to say for yourself?
Only the strong survive. Try to believe what they say. Oh, try to see if we are playing. Oh, that road, that overload takes your soul. In my mind, I got the whole show on.